Hi everyone. So in this video we will install Electron, and by the end of this video you will be able to write one Hello World application in Electron as well. Also, our main focus in this video is to make our application to be able to run. After this video we will have one more video in which we will discuss things in detail, that how things are working in depth in Electron. So if you get confused anywhere, just bear some patience with me. After this video we will discuss these things as well. So first we will navigate to electronjs.org, which is the official website of Electron, and we will simply follow the tutorial given in the documentation of the same. Now on the first page you will see some resources for tutorial and example of API and some sandbox environment using Electron Fiddle. We will not use this. We will set up our own development environment. So let's go to the quick start section. It is very important to follow this quick start step by step. So first we need to check node and npm version. Let's do the same. Let me zoom in little bit so it will be easy for you to see. So let's check the node version first. Okay, it's cool. And now let's check the npm version as well. Yeah, so we have both installed. Let's see next step. So in the next step we have to create one folder. Let me do the same. So I will rename my app as Electron Chronicle. It's just a synonym for to do app, and let's jump into that folder. Okay, now let's run npm init. Yeah. Okay, so I will give some basic information like package name, version, author, description. You can give whatever you like of your choice. So I will name it as Electron Chronicle to do app. That's my description. Entry point. It's preferred to have main.js for Electron. So here I have did the same. And author, I will simply put my name. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, that's cool. Let's open the folder in VS Code as well. Okay, now in this you will find one package.json file which contains same configuration what we have provided. So let's go back again to our documentation page and look for next step, that we need to run this command. Let's run it. Open the terminal and yeah, let's run it out. So it's going to take a while, so I will stop my video and let's continue when it's done. Okay, it's done. Now for the next step we have to add this script. Okay, let's add it in our package.json file. That looks good. Now if you proceed further in the documentation, you will find out some more details how to run your main process. As we discussed earlier, the entry point of an Electron application is the main script. And here is one web page as well. Let's take it into our code editor. Let's make a new file, index.html, and let's paste it out here. Okay, now again back to our documentation, how to run this page. That's what we need to see. So as stated here, we need two Electron modules. One is the app and browser window. Let's take both into our code editor. Make a new file, main.js. All right, and let's copy paste this code. Okay, and this one as well. And this as well. Now let's run npm start command to simply run our application. Let's see. So it will take maybe 4 or 5 seconds. Yeah. So there is our hello world window. So whatever code we have in index.html is present in the window in front of you. Congratulations on making your first Electron application, and you can give it a try to change some HTML CSS in index.html and play around it a little bit. I will see you in the next one.